Hello, my dear Rajeshwar students, class 8 ABC. Here I am, Prabhat Sharma, once again in front of you with my video lecture. We are reading about Anton Pavlovich Chekhov, who was born in the year 1860 and lived till 1904. So, Anton Pavlovich Chekhov was a Russian physician who is highly accomplished as a playwright and a short story writer. He is considered as one of the greatest writers of short fiction in the history. He is known as a master of short stories, and in 1888, Chekhov was awarded the Pushkin Prize, and the very next year, he was elected as a member of the Society of Lovers of Russian Literature. तो भाई आज हम आपको राइटर जो है एंटोन पाव्लोविच चेखव उसके बारे में कुछ बताएंगे लेसन ख़त्म करने के पहले कि ये कितने महान लेखक थे, how good writer he was, and how he influenced the life of the people, and how he was inspired by the people of Russia, and what were his experiences which he uh, gave out through his stories. So, Anton Pavlovich Chekhov was a Russian playwright and a short story writer who is considered to be among the greatest writers of short fiction in history. I shall repeat for you. Anton Pavlovich Chekhov was a Russian playwright and a short story writer who is considered to be among the greatest writers of short fiction in history. इतिहास में ऐसी छोटी कहानियाँ लिखने वाले बहुत कम लोग हुए हैं जैसा कि चेखव ने लिखे हैं. His career as a playwright produced 4 classics, and his best short stories are held in high esteem by writers and critics. दूसरे लोग बड़ी इज्जत से इसका नाम लेते हैं. काफ़ी बड़ा नाम है चेखव का. अब आप बड़े होंगे जब आप भी पढ़िएगा, उसकी बहुत सारी कहानियाँ हैं आपके बड़े काम की. So he was born on 29th of January 1860 in Russia and died on 15th July 1904 in Germany. और कुछ नाटक उन्होंने प्लेज लिखे हैं, उनमें से कुछ अच्छे प्लेज के नाम बता देता हूँ मैं. दे आर द चेरी ऑर्चार्ड, द सीगुल, थ्री सिस्टर्स, अंकल वानिया, अ मैरिज प्रपोजल, एक्सेट्रा. और शॉर्ट स्टोरीज भी बहुत ही सारी लिखी है, उसमें से 3-4 के नाम मैं खास बता देता हूँ. 3 or 4 more most important and famous stories, short stories written by Chekhov. The Chameleon, Fat and Thin, The Bet बहुत अच्छी है, मुझे पसंद है. Misery, The Lady with the Dog. ये कुछ छोटी कहानियाँ हैं, शॉर्ट स्टोरीज, जिनको पढ़ना है आपको. And notable awards with this Anton Pavlovich Chekhov, who was a Russian playwright and short story writer, and who is considered to be among the greatest writers of short fiction in history. So notable awards what he has gone is the Pushkin Award, Pushkin Prize. Okay. और लैंग्वेज, जिस लैंग्वेज में वो लिखते थे वो रशियन लैंग्वेज में लिखा है उन्होंने ना, रशिया की भाषा में, रूसी भाषा में लिखा है उन्होंने. उसको ट्रांसलेट किया है इंग्लिश में आपके लिए. और अभी उनकी कब्र जो है वो मॉस्को की सिमेट्री में है. अच्छा, ये ऑक्यूपेशन क्या था इनका? ये एक फिजिशियन थे, डॉक्टर थे, मतलब प्रोफेशन से तो डॉक्टर थे, लेकिन शॉर्ट स्टोरी राइटर और प्ले राइट थे. ड्रामा भी लिखते थे और छोटी कहानियाँ भी लिखा करते थे, इसीलिए ज़्यादा फेमस हुए. Okay, so how did he become famous? By the time he completed medical school in 1884, Chekhov had been writing fiction for several years, mainly anecdotes for humor magazines. His first work in a leading literary review, Steppy in 1888, depicted a journey in the Ukraine as seen through a child's eye. And why is Chekhov so influential? Chekhov captured life in the Russia of his time by using a deceptively simple technique devoid of obtrusive literary devices. He is regarded as the outstanding representative of late 19th century Russian realism. Though already celebrated by the Russian literary public before his death, Chekhov did not become internationally famous until after World War One. क्योंकि उन्होंने रूसी भाषा में लिखा था, रूसी भाषा सब लोग समझते नहीं है. जब तक उसका ट्रांसलेशन नहीं होगा तो देश दुनिया के दूसरे लोग, हाउ विल द पीपल फ्रॉम अदर कंट्रीज एंड पीपल नोइंग अदर लैंग्वेजेस, हाउ विल दे बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. तो चलिए चेखव के बारे में कुछ और जानकारी आपको बताते हैं. लेट मी टेल यू सम मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट चेखव, who was a Russian writer, as I had already told to you, already informed to you. You may be also knowing about him. So, he's a Russian writer. Anton Chekhov is recognized as the master of the modern short story and a leading playwright of the late 19th and early 20th century. वो तो 20th century तो शुरू होते ही उनकी डेथ हो गई थी एक्चुअली. So, who was Anton Chekhov? वापस से आपको बताता हूँ. Shall I repeat? So, through his short stories such as The Steppe and A Lady with a Dog and the plays कुछ ड्रामा में लिखे थे, The Seagull and the Uncle Vanya, Anton Chekhov emphasized the depths of human nature, the hidden significance of everyday events, and the fine line between comedy and tragedy. Chekhov died of tuberculosis on July 15, 1904 in Bandevillers, Germany. So, जर्मनी उसके टीबी से उसकी मौत हो गई थी. बीमारी से, टीबी एक बीमारी होती है, ट्यूबरक्लोसिस का फुल फॉर्म होता है. सो यूथ एंड एजुकेशन, एक्चुअली उसका क्या हुआ है. एंटोन पाव्लोविच Chekhov was born on 29th of January 1816 in Taganrog, Russia. His father Pavel was a grocer and his father had frequent money troubles, and his mother shared her love of storytelling with Chekhov and his 5 siblings. तो चेखव और उसके साथ 5 भाई बहन और थे. उनकी माँ उनको कहानी सुनाती थी. So when Pavel's business failed in 1875, he took the family to Moscow to look for other work while Chekhov remained in Taganrog until he finished his studies. So उनके पिताजी को बड़ा नुकसान हो गया था, पैसे सारे खर्चा हो गए थे, ख़त्म हो गए थे, कर्जा हो गया था. तो वो मॉस्को चले गए और ये चेखव यहीं अपने गांव में रह गया अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी करने के लिए. Chekhov finally joined his family in Moscow in 1879 and enrolled at medical school. With his father still struggling financially, Chekhov supported the family with his freelance writing, producing hundreds of short comic pieces under a pen name of local magazines. So local magazine में दूसरे नाम से लिखता था शुरू में. वो जो पैसे कमाता था वो अपने परिवार को चलाने के लिए और खुद की पढ़ाई के लिए और उसके लिए खर्चा करते थे. Early writing career about Chekhov. During the mid 1880s, Chekhov practiced as a physician, मतलब doctor, and began to publish serious works of fiction under his own name. So mid 1880s में उसने डॉक्टर की प्रैक्टिस भी जारी रखी. Okay, and he started to publish the writing works, the stories and the play, dramas, in his own actual name. His pieces appeared in the newspaper New Times and then as a part of collections such as Motley Stories in the year 1886. His story, The Steppe, was an important success, earning its author the Pushkin Prize in the year 1888. Like most of Chekhov's early work, it showed the influence of major Russian realists of the 19th century, such as Leo Tolstoy. Chekhov also wrote works for the theatre during this period. His earliest plays were short farces. However, he soon developed his signature style. अपने अपना स्टाइल होता है राइटर का लिखने का, है ना जी? धीरे धीरे सब समझेंगे आप. विच वॉज यूनिक मिक्स ऑफ कॉमेडी एंड ट्रेजिडी. तो इनका जो लिखने का वो था उसमें कॉमेडी भी थी और ट्रेजिडी भी थी, दोनों का ब्लेंड था, परफेक्ट ब्लेंड था. Plays such as Ivanov in the year 1887 and The Wood Demon in the year 1889 told stories about educated men of upper classes coping with depth, disease, and inevitable disappointment in life. असल में उनके खुद के परिवार के ऊपर जो बीती थी उससे मिलती जुलती कहानियाँ रहती. देखो, एवरी पर्सन who's writing something somewhere or the other can get inspired or influenced by his own personal experiences, whatever traumas he has undergone with. So what are the major works of Chekhov? We see Chekhov wrote many of his greatest works from the 1890s through the last few years of his life. In his short stories of that period, including Ward Number 6 and The Lady with the Dog, he revealed a profound understanding of human nature and the ways in which ordinary events can carry deeper meanings. In his plays of these years, Chekhov concentrated primarily on the mood and characters, showing that they could be more important than the plots. Not much seems to happen to his lonely, often desperate characters, but their inner conflicts take on great significance. Their stories are very specific, painting a picture of pre revolutionary Russian society, yet they are timeless. ओके, लोग बड़े इंटरेस्ट से पढ़ते हैं आज भी उनकी कहानियाँ. From the late 1890 onwards, Chekhov collaborated with Konstantin Stanislavski and the Modern Art Theatre of Moscow on production of his plays, including the masterpieces, as I told you, The Seagull in the year 1895, Uncle Vanya in 1897, The Three Sisters in 1901, and The Cherry Orchard in 1904. सो उनके ड्रामा, उनके ऊपर ड्रामा खेला जाता था, उनके जो उन्होंने प्ले लिखे थे उनके ऊपर. लेटर लाइफ एंड डेथ. अब आखिरी आखिरी में क्या हुआ भाई, बड़े बड़े लोग क्या बड़ी जल्दी मर जाते हैं. थोड़े उम्र में उन्होंने बहुत सारा काम किया है. इन 1901 Chekhov married Olga, an actress from the Moscow Art Theatre. However, by this point his health was in decline due to tuberculosis that had affected him since his youth. While staying at a health resort in Germany, he died in the early hours of July 15, 1904 at an age of 44. 44 years की एज में उनकी दुखद मृत्यु हो गई, डेथ हो गई थी टीबी की वजह से. उस समय टीबी का कोई इलाज नहीं खोजा गया था. ओके. Chekhov is considered one of the major literary figures of his time. His plays are still staged worldwide, and his overall body of work influenced important writers of an array of genres, including James Joyce, Ernest Hemingway, Tennessee Williams, and Henry Miller. सो हमने देखा कि बहुत कम उम्र में, सिर्फ 44 ईयर्स में ही डाइड, एंड बाय दैट टाइम ही हैड प्रोड्यूस्ड many of the great works of fiction. So he was a great help to literature. Although he was born in a small village, okay, which was near the sea, and most of the time in his childhood he had to live alone, okay, but and his father was bankrupt, means उसके पिताजी तो बेचारे कंगाल हो गए थे. चेकॉव्स ग्रैंडफादर वाज अ सर्फ, मतलब वो एक फार्म में काम करते थे, बॉन्डेड लेबर थे, बंधुआ मजदूर, गुलाम थे मतलब वो. सो वो बॉट हिज ओन फ्रीडम एंड हिज 3 sons in 1841. वो गुलामी से कैसे उन्होंने आज़ादी ली अपने लिए भी, उनके दादाजी ने, और उनके बच्चों के लिए भी. सो व्हेन आई थिंक बैक ऑफ माई चाइल्डहुड, चेखव रिकॉर्ड, इट ऑल सीम्स क्वाइट ग्लूमी टू मी. वो बचपन बड़ा खराब दिनों में बीता था. His early years were shadowed by his father's tyranny, religious fanatism, and long nights in store, which was open from 5 in the morning till midnight. सुबह 5 बजे से लेकर आधी रात तक काम करना पड़ता था हमको. He attended a school for Greek boys in Terengrog, and a grammar school also over there. The family was forced to move to Moscow following his father's bankruptcy, and at the age of 16, Chekhov became independent and remained for some time alone in his native town, supporting himself through private tutoring. वो बच्चों को पढ़ाते थे घर घर जाकर, अपना जीवन गुजारने के लिए कुछ पैसा अगर मिल जाए. In 1879, Chekhov entered the Moscow University Medical College. While in the school, he began to publish hundreds of comic short stories to support himself and his mother, sisters, and brother. His publisher at this period was Nicholas, who was the owner of St. Petersburg Journal in Okoshliki. His subjects were silly social situations, marital problems, financial encounters between husbands, wives, mistresses, and lovers, whims of young women, of whom Chekhov had no much knowledge. The author was shy with women even after his marriage. His work appeared in St. Petersburg daily papers. So Chekhov's first novel was set in 1882. Okay. But by 1886, Chekhov had gained a wide fame as a writer. 3-4 साल में उनका बड़ा नाम हो गया था. His second full-length novel, The Shooting Party, was translated into English in 1926. उनके मरने के बाद ज़्यादातर चीज़ें ट्रांसलेट हुई इंग्लिश में, और दुनिया को पता चला कि उन्होंने कितने अच्छे अच्छे चीज़ें लिखी है. Okay. Chekhov, actually, he graduated as a doctor in 1884, and he practiced medical. Okay, until 1892. In 1886, he met H.S. Vurian, who invited him to become a regular contributor for St. Petersburg Daily. रोज पेपर में लिखने लगे कहानियाँ, किस्से. His friendship with Suvorian ended in 1988 because of his objections to anti-drifts campaign conducted by the paper. So, चेखव ने काफ़ी चीज़ें लिखी हैं और उनका काफ़ी नाम है, जैसा कि अभी आपको समझाया हमने. ओके. और उनकी फैमिली के बारे में, उनके बचपन के बारे में जी, when he was born and when he died, and what was his early life. Okay. And he had very miserable life. He was very poor. Okay. But he always had a keen interest in studies and writing the works of fiction. And slowly, he became very famous. And today, everybody remembers him after so many years of his death. So, what we see here, that although Chekhov is best known for his plays, some critics think that his stories are even more creative and significant. And Chekhov's elusive, superficially guideless style of writing, in which what is left unsaid seems much more important than what is said. has defined effective analysis by literary critics and effective imagination and imitation by other creative writers also. So he has become very influential. And why he has become influential? Because Chekhov captured life in Russia of his time by using a deceptively simple technique devoid of obstructive literary devices. He is regarded as an outstanding representative of the late 19th century Russian realism. Though already celebrated by the Russian literary public before his death, Chekhov became internationally famous only after World War One. Okay, when his works were translated into English and other languages. This is all we have to say about Anton Chekhov, who has written this story. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day ahead. Take care.